Nifty now. So Bank Nifty, unlike Nifty, did fall after a big consolidation. So there is no much hope for bulls in Bank Nifty. So I expect Bank Nifty to maximum bounce up to 43,340, 350 types. And from there, we'll get a negative candle for us to short for 42,906 and below. So Bank Nifty appears the worst among the both. And this is where probably I'm going to focus more because I'm not interested to join the bull camps. And I think Bank Nifty will have a tough day today. Even the nearest 43 to 47 is a big resistance for Bank Nifties. So I'm looking at Bank Nifty. So let's look at it at this point, 43,350, where I expect Bank Nifty to gives a good move down, and my target is 42,906. So in between there is a 43,152 as well. So at least 100 to 200 points we can capture it is my hope. Let's see. So Bank Nifty also bearish, Nifty also bearish, but Nifty can pull back longer than what people expect, and Bank Nifty can pull back shorter than what people expect. So just because Nifty is bullish doesn't mean that Bank Nifty might go as fast as my expectation is that it will not, but market is supreme. We'll see then. Anyway, I'm not going to trade long, only short side. My point of resistance is 43,350. I will expect a negative candle to form there, and then if I get confirmation, I will go short for 43,152 and 42,906. So that's it for today, and I wish you all the very best from today's trading, and do well and good luck, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away.